Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Gracie. Today I'm going to show you my version of cooking beef steak. In Tagalog, Filipino, we call it bistek. And there's different ways of cooking bistek or beef steak, different kinds of meat. So I personally use tri-tip, and some people they use sirloin. And the reason why I use the tri-tip meat, it's because it is very tender and juicy. So the first thing that I have to do, I have to mix all the ingredients and marinate this for at least 30 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes. And these are the rest of the ingredients. I have soy sauce, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1/2 cup of lemon juice. So lemon juice, you can also use either lime, or we call it limoncito in Tagalog. And then I have like a teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1/2 cup of water, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And with this particular one, I used the onion, red sweet onions, and this is very good for the beef steak. And then after I marinate this, let's see, mix these ingredients together. This is the lemon juice, the black pepper, salt, and the water. So the tri-tip, the meat, I got 1 pound of tri-tip, and this is how I cut it. I cut it into thin slices of tri-tip. And so there you go. And I will marinate this for about 30 minutes to 40 minutes, and after that I will show you how to cook it. Thank you. So welcome back again. So after 30 minutes, so it's already marinated about 30 minutes. So the next step is I'm going to saute the onions. So put half of the oil and put it in medium heat. So I'll saute the onions. So now the onions, I use 2 large onions and saute. So it will take like about 2 minutes to saute the onions, and then I will put this aside, and I'll use this later when I need it to cook it with the meat. I'll just fry the meat. And when you fry the meat, just wait until it becomes brownish. So you wait until the meat will become brownish. Okay, so the meat is now brown, okay, and it's showing tender. And I saute the onions, half of the onions that I cut, and I add the meat. And as you can see, the meat is tender now because I cooked it for about 15 minutes with the oil and a little bit of the sauce, and then I will add the remaining sauce that I put aside earlier, and cook this for another 10 minutes. So what I did when I was cooking the meat, I cover it. So when you cover it, it would help the meat to be tender. And cook this for another 10 minutes. And as you can see, you know, when I fry the meat with the cooking oil with a little bit of the marinated sauce, it looks really good, rich brownish. And let me just taste. Really good. Another 10 minutes, right? So this is it. The meat is tender, and in the sauce is already sticky, like, you know, the water already evaporated. And this is the last step. Add the onions on top of it to garnish it. And that's it. Hello guys, this one is a beef steak. It's called in Tagalog Bistek. So I'm ready to taste this, and I want to show you how tender the meat is. You can see the color, it's not brown, you see. And with a little bit of juice, you can see the juice and the onions. Taste it. Very good. You can taste the lemon with the onions. It is perfect. And with the red wine. And you should try it. It is yummy. Thank you.